In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SignWell to QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you're managing business finances in QuickBooks Online and need an efficient way to handle document signing, integrating SignWell can be a game changer. This integration allows you to streamline workflows, keep your data synced, and save time managing documents. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or a seasoned user, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure the setup is smooth and secure. If you're new to SignWell, you'll find a registration link in the description to get started. First, begin by opening your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your central hub for managing financial tasks, so make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want the integration to be set up. Next, look at the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Apps option and click on it. This will take you to the App Marketplace, where QuickBooks allows you to explore and connect third-party tools to enhance your workflow. Once you're in the App Marketplace, switch to the Find Apps tab. This section is specifically designed to help you search for new apps to integrate with QuickBooks. Now type SignWell into the search bar located at the top of the page and press Enter. QuickBooks will display the relevant search results based on your query. From the results, locate the SignWell app and click on it to open its app page. This page is a valuable resource. It provides an overview of the integration, including its key features, benefits, pricing details, and even user reviews. It's a good idea to take a moment here to explore this information so you fully understand what the app offers and how it will interact with your QuickBooks data. As you review the app details, pay special attention to the section explaining what data the app can access and how it will interact with your QuickBooks account. This ensures you are aware of what permissions you're granting and can install the app with confidence. When you're ready to proceed, click the Get App Now button located in the top right corner of the app page. This will initiate the setup process. QuickBooks will then guide you through an authentication process. Here, you'll be asked to confirm the company file you want to connect to SignWell. If you're not already signed into your SignWell account, you may be prompted to log in at this stage. Once logged in, QuickBooks will request permission to link your QuickBooks data with SignWell. Go ahead and approve the permissions. This step is crucial to securely connect the two platforms while ensuring only the necessary data is shared. During the setup, you might encounter configuration options. These options could include specific settings to personalize how the integration works. Choose the settings that best align with your company's workflow. For example, you might select options related to document templates or default behaviors for syncing data. Take your time here to get it just right, then proceed. After you've completed the setup preferences, wait for the authentication process to complete. This might take a moment, so be patient while QuickBooks finalizes the connection. Once the process is done, return to your QuickBooks dashboard. You should now see that the SignWell integration is enabled and ready to use. At this point, it's a good idea to verify that everything is functioning as expected. Check to ensure that SignWell is accessible and working alongside your existing QuickBooks processes. For example, you might want to test sending a document for signing or syncing a completed document back to QuickBooks. If at any time you need to review or manage the integration, simply go back to the Apps section in QuickBooks. From there, you can check your integration settings, manage connected apps, or even explore more information about how to use SignWell effectively. Finally, confirm that you're working in the correct company file and double-check the permissions you've granted. This extra step can help you avoid common issues and ensure everything runs smoothly. And that's it. Your SignWell account is now successfully connected to QuickBooks Online Advanced, making your document signing and financial processes more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.